Welcome to In for the Grill Barbecue. The flames begin.
Guys, we're gonna make up pineapple, bacon, brown sugar, lemon juice. It's gonna be a glaze. We're gonna put a little bit of honey in there. Start off with some butter. So we're gonna do this pineapple first. This is a neat little tool that I got, or actually Jamie got off eBay or Amazon. I'm not sure where she got it from. I don't even know what it's called, but it makes short work of a pineapple. Basically, all you got to do is cut the top off. Make sure it's nice and flush. Alright, pretty simple. You take this here auger, I guess it is, and there's the core in the center. You just kind of line it up with the teeth here. And you just keep drilling till you hit pineapple oil. The cool thing about it, when you pull it out, bam. So there you have your core, left in the pineapple, coreless pineapple. Take the top off, boom, done. I like to go through this and I'll cut it in half and peel all the little bits out of there. Legacy likes to chew on the core. Didn't come out that time, but usually it does. So there you go, guys. We'll get this mess cleaned up. We're going to chop this pineapple, fry up some bacon. We'll get back to you. We'll get it all together. Alright? Thanks for tuning in. Check it out. Just going to get our bacon here fired up. I'm going to get it browned up in a skillet. So once that's done, I'm going to drain it. We're going to let it just sit there and do its thing, and we'll get the other components in this this glaze fired up, right? Alright guys, next step is we're going to get this pineapple glazed up for the bacon pineapple glaze that we're doing. So we got a pan here. I'm going to go with a little bit of butter. I'm going to get this butter melted down here real nice. Alright. So you get this butter melted, you get the pineapple in, get the brown sugar, a couple drops of lemon juice. Forgot to mention, guys, you can use a half a cup or close to a cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm going to use some that I picked up at a local rib fest here in Kelowna this year. It's Blazing Barbecue. So we're going to add that into the glaze as well. Once you get this butter melted off, get this glazed up, alright? I'm going to get some brown sugar in here. Oh yeah. Pineapple. Couple squirts of lemon juice. I'm not measuring. I'm just going to eyeball it. And we'll get this glazed up. So we're going to brown this up. And then we're going to add the bacon and stuff in. We'll be good to go. We'll get back to you. Alright, so we got our pineapple and bacon, brown sugar, lemon juice, butter. It's all glazing up. We're going to reduce it a little bit. We're going to add a cup of my favorite barbecue sauce, or whatever is your favorite, or whatever you want to use. So check it out, guys. Looks pretty fantastic.
Fantastic. Ooh. Awesome.